Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I will be solving a Leetcode weekly contest 318 problem, which is total cost to hire K workers. Okay, so the problem statement is we are given a cost array which gives the cost for hiring the ith worker, and now we have to hire K workers. So we are given the value of K also, and we are given a value candidates. So what candidates is, we have to run sessions of hire, and in each session we will hire exactly one worker. Okay, so in each hiring session, choose the worker with the lowest cost from either the first candidates workers or last candidates worker. Okay, so in each hiring session there are some workers, so we will hire the worker with having the least hiring cost from the first candidates worker and from the last candidates worker. So if the value of candidates is 2, so in first hiring session, the worker in the first two worker and the last two workers, the minimum cost in all these four will be selected. The minimum of first two and last two will be selected, and if two workers have the same cost, then the one with minimum index will be hired. Okay, so if a worker is hired, he will be not participating in the further process for next rounds. So we have to choose only worker once. Now we have to return the cost of hire exactly K workers. So what will be the cost to hire exactly K workers? So let's move to the sample cases and understand how we are going to solve this. Okay, so we have to hire three workers, है ना? And in first hiring session, first four and last four, minimum of first four and last four will be selected. First four are these, and last four are these. Here minimum is 2, and if two workers have the same index, same cost, then the minimum one will be hired. So this one will be hired. Okay, now now first hiring session is done. So again, this one will not participate in the next hiring process. So in second hiring process, first four, now 7 will be in the first four because 2 is not in first four. So first is 17, second is 12, third is 10, and fourth is 7, and last four will be this one. Minimum of these is 2, again this 2, so he will be selected. Okay, now this process is also completed. Now first four will be these, except this two, and the last four will be these, except this two, because these two are already selected. So minimum of these will be 7, so 7 will be selected. 7 will be selected. Now we have three candidates, three people hired. So our process will end here, and the cost for them will be 7 plus 2 plus 2, which is 11. So our answer is 11. Yeah, so this is it. Now let's move to the second sample test case to understand it in a better way. Yeah, we have to hire three candidates, and three people, and the value of candidates is also 3. So in first hiring challenge, these three and these three will be considered. Minimum of these are 1, and the value with minimum index will be considered, so this one will be hired. This one will be hired. Okay, now in next hiring challenge, what will happen? First 3, which will be, these are first 3 and these are the last 3 also. So the minimum will be this one, will be hired. Okay, yeah. Now third round, we have only these two. So first two will be these and last two will be these, and minimum of these is 2, so 2 will be hired. So we have hired 3 candidates, so the cost will be 1 plus 1 plus 2, which is 4. So our answer will be 4. Yeah, our answer is 4. So how can I do this? So let me explain my code. Okay, yeah. So initially I have n, which is the size of number of students or number of people which are in the participating in the hiring challenge, which is cost dot size. Now I have maintained two set of pairs, which first one is done and second one is to be done. Initially I am inserting all of the cost in to be done because no candidate is hired, no one is hired. So I am inserting cost I and I. Cost I will be first because we have to sort that by the cost of the people. So cost I will be the first and I will be second. Okay, now I am going from n minus candidates. I am inserting first candidates number of people to the to be done and last candidates number of people to be done. Yeah, if my candidate is in first test case, in my value of candidate is 4, so I am inserting these one in the to be done set, these 4 and these 4 in the to be done set, because first in first hiring process I have to consider these only. Yeah, so yeah, my st means st is the starting point which candidate of the people which is not in the set, and ed is the left rightmost point of the people which is not in the set. So st will be this one, st will be this one because this is not in to be done set, and ed will also be this one because it is the rightmost point which is not in to be done set. Yeah, yeah. So now I'm processing say k hiring challenge. Okay, so first one will be the minimum cost one. So this one is done, first one is hired. Now my answer will be pp dot first because first is the cost. Now I to be done dot erase the begun because first one is hired, so I'm erasing that from the to be done set. And if pp dot second is greater than ed, this means that if the current hired candidate in the last candidates number of set, it is from the last one, not the first. If candidate's value is 3, so it is not from the first 3, it is from the last 3. So I am inserting the I'm inserting the ed1 to back to the to be done set and decrementing ed by 1. And if it is from the first candidates number of students, then I am inserting the st1 to this to be done set and incrementing st by to be done. Let me make it clear with an example, better one. Yeah, if this 5 7 3 4 and 9, if this one is the order and candidate's value is 2 and I have to hire 4, k is equal to 4. Okay, so in first in to be done set these 4 will be present. Okay, now this is hired, so value of this is in first 2, so I will insert st1, st is this one and ed is this one. Okay, I will insert st1 7 and increment st by 1, so st will be this one now, and in to be done set I have these 4. Okay, in second hiring challenge 3 will be hired. Okay, now because 3 in last 3 is in last set, so ed1 will be inserted back to the to be done set, and now we have this one in the 9 4, sorry, 9 4 and 5 7 in the set. Yeah, and ed will be this one, sorry, ed will be this one, and st is this one. Yeah, ed is this one and st is this one. Okay, now ed is less than st, so no point of using that. Now in third hiring challenge, 4 1 is hired, 3 is also already hired, 2 is already hired, 4 is now hired. Okay, now 4 is also from the left one, right one, so ed will be considered, but ed is already in done set, it is already in done set, or in to be in done set, it is in to be done set, so it will not be inserted, nothing is inserted. So now I have 5 5 7 and 9. 5 is hired, 7 and 9 in to be done. Yeah, that's it. This is the code. I will share the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.